Now let us do this module together. How do you say the word chicken in Arabic language? The word chicken in Arabic means دجاجة. So the word chicken means دجاجة, and this is how it is written. How do you say the word chick in Arabic? It means كتكوت. So the word chick means كتكوت, and this is how it is written. How do you say the word bee in Arabic? It means نحلة. نحلة. So the word bee means نحلة, and this is how it is written. Then how do you say the word honey in Arabic? It means عسل. عسل with letter عين. So the word honey in Arabic means عسل, and this is how it is written. So the word chicken means دجاجة. The word chick means كتكوت. The word bee means نحلة, and the word عسل, and the word honey, means عسل.